Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to DIY these really cool Rakhis all by yourself. Stay tuned guys, I'm gonna show you in detail how to make these 3 Rakhis at home by yourself. Guys, do subscribe to my channel if you like this video so that you don't miss future videos from my side. So let's get started. So guys, that's how you make your PUBG bro wali Rakhi. I hope you like it. Let's move on to the next one.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So guys, to make the base of this Rakhi, you need a small cardboard piece. Make a hole. We're gonna use woolen or silk thread. Make a hole and then insert the threads into the hole. You can insert like 3 strands of the thread. That's what I'm doing right now here. I've inserted like 3 strands of woolen thread. We can count it. That's 1, 2 and 3. And we are gonna braid it now. हम इसकी चोटी बनाने वाले हैं.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So guys, we are also done with our cool bro Rakhi. Let's move on to our Netflix Rakhi. Okay guys, quick tip, don't forget to search your jewelry boxes. Go check out if you can find something old, something broken, something that you can make use of, in your Rakhi. I found these black beads and I'm gonna use them. Let's check this out. Okay guys, so that's how you can make these really cool Rakhis all by yourself at home. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I post new video every week. So do subscribe to my channel guys. See you next week. Bye bye. Take care. Happy Rakshabandan to all of you.